Hi everyone, it's Tereese. I am back with another video and I'm here to share the tag that I received from my partner Gloria. Um, I'll try and get her a link down below if she has a YouTube channel. I'm not sure. But this is for the year of Julie Nutting Dolls tags for 2020. And I got my tag in the mail. I'm so excited. Okay, so that's me. Ooh, she really protected this. Oh, okay. Ooh, I don't wanna. Not want to ruin. Oh my gosh, she really packaged this up good. Okay, I can't. I just don't want to rip anything. I see tulle, and I don't want to rip it. Hey. Oh my gosh. Oh, look at this. She says, Hola Tereese, thank you for participating in this swap. I really enjoyed making this tag for you. Hope you like it. I'm still learning, but I feel I'm getting better at it. Oh my gosh, Gloria. Look how cute. I'm sure you did fabulous. So let's look at that. I just don't want to ruin it. This is very clever. Oh, look at this. Look how cute. It's all decorated. Looks like it's protected. Oh my gosh, look at this. Oh, it's handmade by Gloria Smith. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm gonna lift this up. Oh my gosh, I'm going to. Oh, I could just slide it off. Duh. Jeez, Tereese. Oh, let me see if I can. Oh, look at this. It's so cute. Oh my gosh, I love it. I can tell I already love it. You know, there's all different levels of crafting, and oh my gosh, this pumpkin is too cute. Oh my gosh. So I'm going to keep it like that. Wow. I love the Frankenstein. Oh my gosh, Gloria. I love it. Oh, look how you paper pieced her dress and you gave her some stockings. You did fabulous. Oh my gosh, you did great. I love the felt bats. Oh, that is too cool. Oh, and the tree. Is this Tim Holtz? The creepy, oh my gosh, his creepy buildings or houses or whatever. And he has the trees. Oh, this is too cute. Look at Happy Halloween. Oh my gosh. Is this a sticker? Oh my gosh. This is too cute. And she has little bling on her shoes. And she has bling on her dress. Oh my gosh. That's an awesome tag. You did great. I absolutely love it. Thank you, thank you. I hope you like my tag that I sent you. Oh, I just love all these tags. So I want to thanks everybody for watching. Come join us if you want. I love seeing all the different tags and all the different dolls everybody's using. So thanks everybody for watching. Have a great week and I'll see you in my next video. Bye everyone.